Welcome to Block 7. Today, we'll be exploring AK House, a modern architectural masterpiece designed by Aguirre Arquitetura, located in Uberlândia, Brazil. This house spans 3,283 square feet and was completed in 2021. Let's take a closer look at how minimalism and open space concepts have been beautifully implemented in this residence. AK House was designed with the goal of creating integrated living spaces, offering flexibility for its inhabitants to meet their daily needs. With a layout that is linearly distributed on a single floor, the design follows the natural contour of the land, creating a harmonious connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. The harmony between the materials used in the architecture of this house is striking. Concrete and metal are combined with wood and landscaping elements to create comfortable and inviting spaces. AK House successfully blends these elements to form a strong project identity, providing inspiration for anyone looking for a home design that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The private spaces in AK House are also designed to connect closely with the gardens. Through an adjustable system of doors and brise soleil, the bedrooms are protected from excessive sunlight while also offering enhanced privacy. The tropical plants selected for the landscaping filter the sunlight entering the rooms and help improve the microclimate around the house. One of the key elements of AK House's design concept is minimalism. The use of monolithic planes, carefully selected materials, and well-defined horizontal lines creates a sense of expansiveness in the house. The relationship with the surrounding vegetation is also a significant focus in this design, with the living spaces opening up to side gardens, seamlessly integrating the landscaping with the living environment and enhancing air circulation throughout the house. AK House is a perfect example of how minimalist architecture can create an environment that is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing and comfortable. With a well-integrated design, materials, and landscaping, this house offers inspiration for anyone seeking innovative and sustainable design solutions. We hope this tour has given you fresh ideas for your own home projects.